Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the Delonghi air conditioner. It's super simple and how to do it. So what you need to do for older models, you're gonna reset button is on remote control. You just want to simple like press it and reset the unit. For later models, the reset button may under the grill. And reset without reset button, so you're gonna hard reset. You want to turn off the air conditioner, unplug it from the power source. You just want to wait for like 5 minutes, let's say, plug it back in and turn it on. And for your new models, you're gonna have to turn like specific button based on the model. And I don't know what kind of like Delonghi air conditioner you have, but primarily just try to like unplug it and then plug it back in. That should work. So have a great day and goodbye.